Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back once again to my channel. So, if you're new to this channel, my name is Hetty. I am a makeup artist in real life and I also do makeup here on YouTube. So, if you'd like to embark on this journey here on YouTube with me, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So, without further ado, let's jump right into my video. But before we do that, if you like this video, please don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Let's go viral together. So let's jump right into my video. I don't know, but today I feel like my eyebrows are coordinating. They are like twins now. I realize my eyebrows are, one is different, the other one is that, but sometimes, or today I feel like they are just matching each other. This palette is what I'll be using today. I just love this palette. It's so pigmented. I didn't expect that from it because of the price. I really love it. So yeah. And I'll be using the NYX Jumbo pencil. And for my transition color, this will be my transition color. That's what I'm going to use as my transition color. I never expected that from this palette, really, honestly. I didn't expect that. To cut my crease, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution concealer. So I finished my eyes off camera to save myself time. Let's jump into the real tea, my face. Right now I have a skincare routine, so my face is not doesn't have more acne than before. So I think I don't really need that much of color correcting because I've been taking very good care of my skin nowadays. At first, I was not the type that took skincare really serious. I would just have my makeup and then afterwards, I would just wash it with just soap and water, and that's all. So I realized my skin was breaking and I was having skincare problem. But now I have actually changed and I am taking really good care of my skin now. So my skin is not that in a mess like before, if you get me. And for my foundation, I'm going to use L'Oreal. And then you wait a little bit for your concealer to get tacky before you blend it into your skin. Don't just go in straight. I used to do that, but the more you do makeup, the more you get the skills and the more you get the techniques. to do it better. So I'll advise any beginner, if you really want your concealer to look flawless, then when you put it on your skin, you just wait a little while for it to dry before you blend it into your skin. And to brighten it up, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Concealer in C8. And to contour, I'm going to use Black Opal Contour Stick, Foundation Stick. To set my whole face, I'll use the N9 banana powder. I'll sip off my powder. Guys, what do you think? Tell me what you think. So guys, I am done. Let me go and put my wig on and get right back to you guys.